Army Claire.
We're doing gamification, which is the application of game mechanics and game styles through education, learning techniques, and military applications and stuff like that.
In 1978, Roy Trubshaw created the world's first widely used game called Mud, which is also a multi-user dungeon. It's a primitive text-based precursor to games like World of Warcraft, COD, Halo, which then leads to the evolution of gamification.
Some health benefits of gamification can help children improve reading when they have dyslexia, help preschoolers with motor skills, improve vision, memory, and focus in older adults. Quizlet is an online study outfit that uses gamification and study tools. One of the games shown here has the match terms and definition while racing against the clock, and has leaderboards that you can check scores against and see the best times.
In terms of military use, various software companies give soldiers the opportunity to visualize the battlefield through enemy lines. And specialized companies actually update the software weekly, so it enhances the realistic qualities of this gaming. Another adaptation they've made is to Google Earth, so that way soldiers can go in and walk the routes in combat and take note of alleyways and roofs and doors that they can possibly hide in.
Polling everywhere. It allows, this online text message polling can be a form of gamification, and teachers can form groups of students and use it kind of like Jeopardy for study techniques and compete against each other. Wii Fit is another form of gamification where it's fitness turned into a game. It uses a board that you stand on, has you do yoga, push-ups, and balance exercises and other sort of fitness moves, all while keeping track of your weight and fitness activity.
This is a website that my school actually implemented into their curriculum called stopdisasters.org, and allows students to go into the website and make changes to a particular environment, so that way natural disasters don't have to necessarily be so disastrous in the future.
Sparkle is a quiz-based website. It has you race against the clock while collecting points for right answers in a variety of subjects, anything from NFL to states. You can find friend scores and compete against the leaderboards.
In November 2012, there was an 8-day offensive against militants in the Gaza Strip, and the IDF, which is Israel Defense Forces, actually rewarded people with points for going onto Twitter and posting about the strike, and so while people were dying, this was happening.
BrainAge is the aggregation of brain exercising activities that use gamification. You can take anything from multiplication to learning states and capitals and stuff, and apply different games that you can study from them. Foldit is the online protein folding game with a scoring system based on how well you fold the protein and how fast you can do it. People playing Foldit actually discovered the structure of an AIDS-related enzyme that scientists couldn't.
In 2010, Sweden actually unveiled a speed camera lottery where essentially people who were speeding were caught by traffic cameras and were fined, and people who were recorded as going the speed limit or going under the speed limit were actually given money funded by their lead-footed compatriots.
Khan Academy is a website developed to learning and implication. It uses the implication game mechanics. All subjects are on an RPG type skill level, and you can progress through that like RPG.
Volkswagen recently unveiled a crowdsourcing campaign in China where consumers can actually go online and design a vehicle and submit it to the website. And Volkswagen won't build any of these cars, but they'll create a simulation where then people can go on.
Free Rice is an online learning tool that is used to help fight world hunger through gamification of learning. It has multiple choice answers, and you can go through those, and every right answer will give you 10 donated rice.
And in terms of the future of gamification, it is expected by 2014 that 70% of firms on the Forbes Global 2000 list will have at least one gamified application. It's also expected that 80% of these applications will fail.